Welcome. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to make everyone see the posts you're tagged in on your Facebook page using the Facebook app on your computer. If you want these tagged posts to be visible to everyone, even if you're new to Facebook updates, this step-by-step guide is made just for you. Let's dive in and get your settings just right. First, open the Facebook app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account so you'll have access to all your page settings. Once you're in, take a look at the top right corner of the Facebook homepage. You'll see your profile photo. Click on it. This will bring you to a menu with lots of different options. From here, find the section labeled Settings and Privacy. Click it, and then select Settings from the drop-down menu. You're now in the main settings area. On the left-hand side, you'll see several different categories. Scroll down until you find Page and Tagging. Click on this section to reveal more privacy and visibility options for your page. Now look for the option that says, Who can see posts that you're tagged in on your page? This is the key setting that controls the visibility of any photos, videos, or content where others have tagged your page. To make your tagged posts visible to everyone, simply choose Everyone from the list of options. This setting will make sure that anyone on or off Facebook can view the posts where your page is tagged. Once you've selected Everyone, click Done at the bottom of the menu to save your changes. And that's it. With just a few quick steps, you've made sure that all posts you're tagged in will be seen by everyone, expanding your reach and letting your content shine. If you found this walkthrough helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who needs to adjust their page settings. For more easy tech tips, make sure to subscribe and check out our other tutorials. Thanks for watching.